Hey guys, Maniac here, and I just kind of got put into this game, so I'm just gonna join. I see you up there. Don't know if that killed her or not. I think that this is just the beginning of a round. Ah, stupid sniper. What was that? Have some good old sniper. Really? Got a key. Got a key. Ah. Whoa. Get owned.
There was a wolf in sheep's clothing.
I'm gonna go slowly up. Still got it. Still got it. Numbers. What the? This is how you want to play? I'll go into my good mode. Dual wielding action. Yes. Alright, another kill. There can be only one dual wielder. I think we both killed each other. There's a grenade. How many fucking grenades? Oh my god, this Brazilian crazy. I'm going to go crazy because of her. Or him. You can never know. Clever guy. Alright, what do you have? I don't need an AK. If any of you have a sniper by any chance, this young gentleman. Whoa! Shotgun. Shotgun out of nowhere. Who the heck is... Trying not to lose most of it. What else can I use? Dual wielding assaults, I guess. I usually like the pistols, but the assaults work too. I should make a shotgun class. Be all sneaky. While dual wielding chromes. Obviously, I gotta do some schnick. You guys see me rolling. What the? I hear grenades going off, but I do not see them. Headshots. Oh! No. We're coming up here. Come on. I called it! And I... But he was dual wielding deagles, wasn't he? Oh! But I still get the kill. What? I think I got him. Or got close to it. Kill. Oh, another kill. Ooh. Oh, I wouldn't mind taking that. Thank you. Low on ammo, but I can suffer.
moments like these, it's best to trust no one.
Gotta get up here. Here's somebody getting murdered. Oh no, there's somebody. I'm SMGM. I hate this. You're a sniper. And they've taken the lead. Alright, I'll take this. Or he has that kill. Somebody got that one. We take the lead again. Rest didn't have a rest. That guy has his chromed. Oh, miss. Scared me. Come on. Come out. Not seeing anybody. He was shooting right down. Somebody else has a sniper, or no, that's the guy beside me. Boom! So obviously the Brazilian crazy is a fan of her snipers and shotguns, which isn't anything wrong. Kiss me, before this battle. So far. Oh crap, there's somebody. Missed it. Wait, we're approaching the end, alright, I gotta go into dual wielding powers. Dual wielding power. Oh, jeez. Oh my Ermagerd. Got the kill. Teammate avenged. The Avengers.
They were keeping their enemies way too close.
Oh. Alright. Sacrificial ritual! I believe we won. Thanks to the sniper. Of course, in any game, I think the sniper always wins. So, there's the teams. Hey, I didn't do too bad, I guess. I did horrible. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that fun stuff to all of the channels. I'll see you guys next time, or whatever we make. Hey, this guy, Dragon. Peace out. Boop.